3 signs you've made it big. You may be wondering what it looks like to make it big. While everyone has different goals and definitions in mind when they think about where they want to head and what it means to make it, there are a few clear signs to confirm that you are in fact going places. These may include a natural progression career-wise to more challenging roles and well-known projects. Here are 3 signs you can be proud of to know you've made it big in entertainment. Here is the first sign you've made it big. One of the surefire signs that you've made it in the entertainment world is the moment you see your name in the credits. This is the goal of many budding actors, and you typically won't see your name on the list until you've played a role that is quite noteworthy. Even if this was something you'd been booked for in a smaller project, seeing your name in those credits is a great achievement. So, if you're credited, take it in and acknowledge your hard work is paying off. Keep on this path and you'll be well on your way to the goal of superstardom status. Here is the second sign you've made it big. Another sign that you're well on your way to having your name known in Hollywood is that you've landed bigger roles with big titles. Being able to get a few featured roles under your belt means you're moving up the ladder. Most actors move from background role to background role until they're able to make a jump to more well-recognized gigs. Once you've attained featured status, it's easier to continue along this path. It takes time, hard work, and patience to build enough credits to make it this far, so be proud if you're here. This is typically the point at which you'll want to find an agent to represent you moving forward. Keep up the good work. Here is the third sign you've made it big. Another sign that you're making it is that you'll be able to join an actors union. This goes along with landing featured roles and requesting representation. Typically, this is only possible once your career has reached a specific point, and having the ability to unionize is a big deal. You'll be able to take on larger roles and enjoy all the protections your union has to offer, such as the ability to work within reasonable hours, take breaks when needed, and be afforded a lot of other perks. Having the prerequisites to be a part of an actors union means that you've been in the industry long enough and worked hard enough to enjoy taking advantage of some of its most sought-after benefits. In summary, reaching the point of being featured in films, becoming unionized, and the ability to continue to book gig after gig without having to put in the same hours as you did in the beginning means you've reached a point in confidently knowing that this is something you can truly make a career out of. Until you're at this level, it's okay if you decide to hold on to a 9-to-5 and take on side projects in between. Once you start to become recruited for projects based on past work experience and your roles have become recognizable, you'll then be able to be more selective about the types of projects you take on. Until that happens, remember to be patient. Keep working hard and bide your time a little until your moment arrives when you can confidently know that you've made it big.
To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.